Hello to everyone. So this is my second review of the OLSA tools. This video is sponsored by OLSA tools. Big respect from me. And here we are. I have now extractor wrenches. This is metric 7-piece set. Here you can see all the markings. It is still in the box. I have not opened it yet. So here is all the letters on the box. You can see, and also it is said that the tool is made in Taiwan. And also now I will show you the part number. This can be easily accessed on olsatools.com. Now I will open the box and show you. So I opened this red box, and here we are. As I already mentioned, these are 7-piece metric box end wrenches. Sizes are from 6 to 19, and the wrenches are placed in the lovely plastic tray. I think that the quality of this tray is very good. Here the story is the same as it was when I reviewed their swivel head ratchets. I like this plastic foam very much. You can organize your tools compact in your toolbox, and for this this tray is perfect. So guys, here we are now. The smallest wrench is 6 and 7 millimeter. Then we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. And now I will show you from top to bottom, and let's start from the biggest wrench here. The chrome finish on the wrenches is awesome, very high quality. It feels and it looks amazing. Here you can see in the video what I mean in this. I like that the sizes are engraved. Also the manufacturer logo is engraved, and each wrench has part numbers on it. These are made from CRV steel. And the most important part, what makes these wrenches unique, is the profile of the box heads. These wrenches are designed to help you to remove damaged bolts and fasteners. Also, this can be used as regular box end wrenches because they still work fine with the heads which are not damaged. The length of the wrenches, I think, is good. If we compare this 90 millimeter wrench head to the regular 6.19 millimeter socket, here we can see the main differences. The head profiles are 100% different, and I think it is good to own both profile tools in your garage. Who knows where you may need them. So guys, the second one, which is the biggest size in this set, is 16 and 17 millimeter box end wrench. The finish on the each wrench is perfect, very high quality, and the markings and letters on the each wrench is stamped very good, and I like it very much. Now I will talk to you a little about the offsets and compare it to the regular offset box end wrenches. So my friends, here it is my Proxon slimline offset box end wrench, 60 on 70. And now let's compare it to the OLSA tool analog. Here are the competitors, and here is the main difference, which I think is noticeable. The offset on the Proxon is sharper than on the OLSA. I think Proxon is 75 degree and the OLSA is 45 degree. So it means that in some situations where OLSA will work, Proxon will not fit, and vice versa. So once again, it is good to own both options in your toolbox. And here is the main differences between the heads. Proxon is a regular 12 point, and the OLSA, as I already told you, has the exclusively development profile to beat the fasteners which are abused and damaged. Another wrench which we have here is 40 on 50, not much often used size on German cars, especially on Mercedes cars, but it is good to know that the set includes every size, no skips, from 6 to 90. Now I will try to show you every wrench and to demonstrate you that each of them has a great quality. Each of them are made from high polished chrome vanadium steel, and the chrome plating is very good. Here is my another solution for damaged fasteners. This is USA made socket which is designed to fit on the fasteners which are abused. But the profile on this socket is different if we compare it to the OLSA one. I don't know which is better because I have not compared them on the real work, but I think both are great. There will be situations where OLSA will my go-to, and there will be situations where this socket will work for you. Next wrenches are 12 on 30 and 10 on 11. As the smaller wrenches, it is of course shorter. The length of these wrenches are regular, not very long and not very short as well. So let's continue, my friends. The smallest sizes which we can see here are 8 on 9 and 6 on 7, and the story is same, very high quality chrome plating. I like it very much. You can see on the video how they are shine and how they look. Simply great. So here is the 17mm bolt. Here is how a regular 12-point wrench will fit on this bolt. Enough good fitment, but the 12-point wrench is beaten when this bolt is rounded, and in this situation you will need a tool like this. I now try my best to show you what are the main grabbing angles which makes this type of tools unique. Here you can see it. This is not damaged bolt, and 70 millimeters works with it, but if it would be damaged, then you can apply 16 millimeter on it and remove it with the smallest size. So guys, I think this is a great tool. In overall, it costs about $16 on OLSATools.com, and I think for the price it is very good deal. Of course, my viewers are able to get 10% discount on tool assortment of OLSA Tools. I will link the address below on this video, where you can go and access your 10% discount code. So guys, once again, the feel of the tool is very good. The angle, which is 45 degrees, is also very good. There are no many choices when it comes to box end wrenches which are 45 degrees angled. The majority of them are 75 degree angled, and it makes this OLSA tools unique, I think. And to be honest, I have not seen the competitors which offer this type of tools for such less money. The finish, the looking and the feeling is on the top. I like it very much, and I recommend it to everyone or anyone who likes and wants to have such type of tools. Once again, regards from me to the OLSA tools. The discount link will be with this video. Look description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and goodbye.